scientific notation. For scientific notation, we represent any number with n into 10 to the power n. Scientifically, how we are representing, what is the scientific notation for any number? It is n into 10 to the power n. N is a number, non-zero of course, and this n is exponents of 10, that may be positive, negative or 0. I think all of you remember that Avogadro's number. You have studied in standard 9 now. What was that? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So here it is represented by scientific notation. Here in this case you see number of digit n, that is number present before decimal 1, and rest of the numbers are placed after decimal, and n is exponents of 10. Here exponents of 10 is 23. Now if you are asked to find out the significant figure over here, what will be this number of significant figure? Here you will calculate it from here. You need not go to calculate from here. So how much significant figure will be? It will be equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how can you change any number into scientific notation? I am giving some examples. Suppose you are getting 404.3.2. You are asked to change it to scientific notation. How you will change? Suppose you are getting this number and you are asked, so what it will be? In scientific notation, you will place only one digit before decimal. So you will write 0432. Now you are moving 3 digits from here. So you will write 10 to the power 3. You see here 4043.2. You want to change it to scientific notation. So number of digit before decimal will be 1. So how can you write? You can write it like this. And you are moving the decimal from here to left. So you are multiplying with 10 to the power 3. Next, if you are getting this number 0.0053. If you are asked to change it to scientific notation, how you will write? 5.3 into. Now you see 1, 2, 3. You are moving right from here to here. So it will be 10 to the power minus 3. So this is the way of representing any number in scientific notation. Now what will be this number of significant figure over here? Number of significant figure over here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also it is 5. It is how much? Significant figure here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it will be number of significant figure. Here I am calculating number of significant figure 2. Here it will be 2. Topic is rounding of numbers. Rounding numbers. This rounding off. How can you round up a number? Now you see, if for rounding off, if a digit to be dropped is more than 5, then add 1 to the preceding number. For rounding of any number, you will have to follow certain rules. If the number you want to round off, if you want to drop that number, then if the number is more than 5, then you add 1 to the preceding number. I am giving example. See, rounding off. Suppose you are given 1.4638. If you are asked to round off the number till 4 significant figure, if you are asked to round off till here, then the number here which is to be dropped, you will have to see that this number is more than 5. So, if you are asked to round off till 4 significant figure, then what you will write, how you will round up? It will be 1.464. You will add 1 to it. In this case, you will add 1 to it to round up. Because this number which is to be dropped is more than 5. Now, if you are getting another case, second rule, if you are getting this 1.463, but you are having over here 4, this is to be dropped. If it is asked to round off till 4 significant figure, then you will have to see the 5th digit. This 5th digit is less than 5. So, you will leave it as it is. How you will round off? It will be 1.463. You will drop the number and you will simply copy till here. Because you are asked to, suppose you are asked to round off till 4 significant figure. So 2 cases I told. I have taken 2 examples. You can take any other example. You see in your book, NCERT book also you see. If the number is more than 5, then simply to round up add 1. If the number is less than 5, then you simply drop that number. Now, if the number is 5, suppose I am giving this example only to make you clear. 4635. Now, if you are asked to round off till 4 significant figure, then you see the number before this 5. This before 5, you will have to see this number. If this number is odd, what I am telling? This number is odd. If this is odd, then you add 1 to round off. Then what it will be? 1.464. See, I am explaining. If number is more than 5, add 1. If the number is less than 5, to round up, you drop that number and add. You need not add anything. And if the number is 5, then what you will do? You will have to see the number, the digit present before 5. If the digit is present before 5 is an odd number, then you will add 1. And if it is even, then you leave it as it is. As it is, you leave it. See here, you are asked to, suppose you are asked to round up till 4 significant figure. Then here the number is 5 present. Before 5 the number present, that is an even number. So if the number is present before 5 is an even number, then what you will write? You will simply copy it. You will simply copy it. You need not add anything. For even, you need not add anything. For odd, you will add 1 if the number is 5. Now, if you are asked to round off twice. Suppose